guys, it's Nick the Booksmith. Welcome back to my channel. This is just going to be a quick little video to talk about the new course that is now available on Teachable. And this is the Scholar's Ledger and Victorian Ladies Handbook course. And in this course, I teach the construction of this book, which is the Scholar's Ledger. And this one, they're both hardback books. There will be a printout that comes with the course, so you'll be able to make this exact book if you would like to. And also an updated version of my Victorian Ladies Handbook. And so these are both a similar size. So the covers are 4.5 by 8 3/4, and they're a little narrower in size. I love this size for its portability, great for traveling, that kind of thing. The spines aren't quite as wide. It's just a wonderful, wonderful size. Another thing, there's going to be a new curved spine construction that I have never taught before, and this helps in creating this traditional curved spine and ridge detail here without using a book press. So you will be able to get this beautiful traditional look to your book without using a book press. And like I said, brand new type of construction that I haven't taught in any of my other classes previously. Really nice, sturdy spine there. So let's see. Also, there's going to be free access if you get this course that teaches both of these books. There's going to be free access to the hollow back binding course so that you can not only create these beautiful book covers, but then you can bind them with pages. You can learn how I do that if you would like to. I know some of you out there already have your own favorite way of binding pages into books, and that is totally cool. Some of you are newer, and so maybe you would like to see how I do that. So there will be free access. There'll be a little freebie. You can go check out that course. They will be bundled together so that you'll have access to both. Let's see. So let me talk about this one real quick first, the Scholar's Ledger. So we will be creating this exact book, but we will also talk about how to get this type of look with this beautiful khaki green, kind of a cool look. We will be talking about getting something like this. Very cool. And also something like this. So totally different. So even though this is the one I teach, you can see with just a few simple adaptations, a few simple changes, you can get a totally, completely different look and style to your book. Let's see. We also talk about measuring papers for these size of books, and we discuss how many pages there are, how many there are, and that kind of thing. This book cover is a little different from this cover as far as like finishing them up, and so we talk about both of those kinds of things. So in the Victorian Ladies Handbook, some of you may remember that I started making these, a 1.5, 2 years ago. This is an updated version of that book. I really like this version better. I like the shape of the book better, so I decided to go with the updated version as opposed to teaching the original. And inside of this book, we talk about the pages in this guide too. And we also talk about how you can easily adapt the look of this book and get all kinds of different looks from this type of book construction as well. Because as you can see, even though they are they're the same size, totally different looks. Absolutely, totally different looks. And so they're kind of like a bride and groom here. I had to put them together for some reason. It's like they were meant to be together. It's like peanut butter and jelly. So anyway, I thought I would include both of these in that course so that you can learn how to make both of them, because I think they are both versatile, and I think that they go together so well that, I don't know, I just thought I should put them both together. Okay. Well, I think that's it, guys. I think that's it. If you have any questions, please feel free to put them down in the comment section below. There will be a link to my Teachable also in the description box below the video if you want to check out the course. And let's see, I guess that's it. I'm going to be back really soon. I've got some books to be putting up on Etsy, and these are going to be 3 of them, so these will be going up on Etsy fairly soon. I've got maybe one more I wanted to finish before I did that. I was going to I'd like to put up a batch of 4, maybe 5. I think that would be nice. So yeah, so I just need a minute to finish those, and I think that's it. I will be back really soon with some other stuff, some fun stuff, and yeah, thank you guys so much for checking out the new course, the info on the new course, and I hope everybody is having a great weekend, and I will see you really, really soon. Bye, guys.